Agritech TV. Injector from David Brown 880 tractor, due to tapping noise. Each if the 4 injectors were cleaned. Now, it is test the nozzle functionality. We have the injector connected to the pressure tester to check the nozzle functionality. Ands confirm good or bad. This nozzle has been cleaned. But it takes more than just cleaning to a certain nozzle functionality. So we make this video to actually explain, to know what to check for. Here is our nozzle tester. We have fuel in the tank, which is diesel fuel. The tester is more of just a pressure tester to raise the pressure in the line till the opening pressure of the nozzle is reached. Since this is a mechanical nozzle, so the tool raised the pressure while we observe nozzle opening pressure and nozzle behavior during opening in terms of how it jet out. So we'll be looking out for the following. 1. According to manufacturer of the engine, where we pull the injectors David Brown 880. Opening pressure is to 571 psi, somewhere around there. That we'll expect, and we'll also expect, that the nozzle do not open until we get to that point nor leak. If it did not open and it did not leak, then we know that the nozzle is good. So that's how we check. Let's confirm if this nozzle is okay or not. Let now set up the injector properly to avoid and form of leaks. We tighten the fitting. We lock the valve and start pumping. First check is for us to know it actually opened at 2571 psi. Yes, right about that point. That means is opening at right pressure, right? This confirmed the setting of the spring. The back spring is fine, but now we need to check the nozzle behavior. So we gradually ramp towards that opening pressure and see how the nozzle will behave. Yeah. Okay, you can see how it opened, and that tells us that, yes, this nozzle is good. But some observations here. One can see the return port having fuel leakage coming out of the return. See it's let's do it again. Slowly. So I will consider these to be fairly good. Let's try another injector. We have 4 of this injectors from this tractor. David Brown 880 tractor. So we need to check and ensure all of them are good. Actually, the fault was they were hearing knocking sound on the engine, and one of the suspect is the bad injector nozzle. Okay, let's go. So we go again this time around. We check if it open at the right pressure. Okay, is opening. You can notice that you did not hear any sound. Let him try it again. Okay, it open up the pressure. I can show you that bit. Okay, do we notice one thing? Let's go in gradually towards the opening pressure. See that leak? Again. That leak is telling us that these units do is open near the right pressure, but it seems to be having leak at the nozzle. It's supposed to be close until you get to that pressure and just open suddenly so that you can jet out that set pressure. So I will compare with one that the nozzle was recently changed. Change it again. Take one that will just change the nozzle, and we will show our new nozzle works. So yeah, the first one we tested that seems to be fine. Does the new nozzle you come in a pack like this as a number. So we just replaced it, it has been set as well. So let's see how that opens. This is okay. Now we have new nozzle in. Let's see if he's going to open at right pressure. Read again. Okay, let's go this slowly. Okay, one thing I noticed, the pressure set here. It is opening around 2400 psi, but if you notice here, let's do it again. You will see. You see it only open at the right pressure, and the diesel jet out. Instead of leaking out here as well. We can see that from the return, it remained dry, no leak from return port, so he's not really leaking. Back to return. So those are the checks that we need to look out for when we are checking nozzle. Let's do it one more time and see the nozzle behavior. See, that is how nozzle should be. So for this job we are going to change all the 4 so that we have 4 new nozzles on the tractor. I will believe this tractor can give us more years ahead as we do the job. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comments.